Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install the Scikit-learn library in Python on Mac. Before we begin the installation, let me show you the version of Python I am using. To check the version of Python, you need to type the command python 3 space hyphen hyphen version. When you hit enter, it's going to tell you the Python version that is installed on your Mac. It's Python 3.13.5 that is installed on my Mac, and it happens to be one of the latest versions of Python available at the time of recording this video. Now, let's proceed with the installation. First, we are going to create a Python project folder. I'm going to create this folder on my desktop, and you may choose to create it wherever you want. So using the cd command, I'm going to go to my desktop, and over here using the mkdir command, I'm going to create a Python project folder. Let's name it Scikit-learn install. Let me delete this O and let's hit enter. You can see Scikit-learn underscore install folder has been created on my desktop. Now we are going to go inside this folder using the cd command again. As you can see, we are inside the Scikit-learn underscore install folder. Here we are going to create a Python virtual environment. Why virtual environment? Because installing Python modules in a virtual environment keeps your project dependencies isolated so they don't mess with other projects or system packages. And the command to create a Python virtual environment is python 3 space hyphen m VNV, which stands for virtual environment, and the name of the virtual environment, which we are going to name as Scikit-learn underscore VNV. Let's hit enter. And if this command doesn't throw any error, that means virtual environment is successfully created. And you can see no error. Let's see if scikit-learn underscore VNV is created using ls-l command. And you can see it appears over here. Now let's activate this virtual environment. To do that, we are going to use the source command like this. And we are going to write the name of the virtual environment, which is scikit-learn underscore VNV. We'll write /bin /activate. Let's hit enter. And there you go. You can see scikit-learn underscore VNV has become active. Now we are going to install the scikit-learn library. The command to install the scikit-learn library is pip install scikit-learn. Let's hit enter. And you can see the installation has begun. It's going to take some time, I guess. It is installing other libraries as well, like NumPy, SciPy. And there you go. The installation has ended. And I'm so happy to see this message which says successfully installed joblib, NumPy, and scikit-learn. It has installed scikit-learn 1.7.1. That's the version. But we'll also test whether it installed successfully ourselves. To do that, we are going to start a Python prompt, which we can do by typing python 3 and hitting enter. And there you go. Python 3 prompt has started. We are going to now import scikit-learn. And how do we do that? We write import sklearn. This is how we import the scikit-learn library. Let's hit enter. If this statement gets executed successfully, then we can say that we have successfully installed the scikit-learn library in the virtual environment scikit-learn underscore PMT. And the result is right there in front of you. The statement got executed successfully. If you want, you can print the version of the scikit-learn library as well and validate it against the version that appears over here. Let's do that. So we'll write print, and within its brackets, we'll write sklearn dot double underscore version double underscore. We hit enter, and it prints 1.7.1, and it matches with the version that appears over here that we just installed. The last thing that we are going to do is we are going to deactivate the virtual environment because that's the standard practice. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you really enjoyed learning how to install the Scikit-learn library in Python from this video of Joystick. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.